Good morning, students. Today I am telling class 6 chapter 2nd grammar noun. What is noun? A noun is a naming word that is used to name living beings, place, things, idea and feeling. Another definition, noun is a naming word that is boy, girl, John, that type of is called noun. There are 5 kinds of noun: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. Common noun. First of all, I would like to common noun. Noun that names person, place, or object of the same kind or class is called common noun. A common noun is a word that does not refer to any particular noun, particular person, place, or thing. It gives a common name to person, animal, things of the same class and kind, such as words like book, pen, pencil, boy, river, mountain, town, village, or are common noun. Books, pencil, boy, river, mountain, town, village are common noun. Now, proper noun. Noun that names particular place, person, or object are called proper noun. Proper noun words which name a specific people, things, places, or organization. Sometimes we give name to pets also, Kitty, Tommy. Sometimes we give name to pets, Kitty, doggy, Tommy. Example, suppose that Sachin Tendulkar, Mumbai, India, the Times of India, Park Street, Goa. This type of noun is called proper noun. Now, collective noun. Noun that name a group or class, things, person taken together and spoken of and one whole are called collective noun. A pack of cards, a suit of room, a team of players, a school of fish, bunch of key, a mob of people, a flock of sheep. Such type of called is a bunch of grapes, bunch of tea, such as collective noun. Name that material noun that same material or a substance that we see and touch are or ingredient for making things are called material noun. Gold, steel, coal, copper, iron, wood, clay is a material noun. Now, abstract noun. Noun that name, idea, or concept, qualify feeling, some state or a thing which cannot be touched or seen are called abstract noun. Once again repeat. Noun that name, idea, or concept, quality, feeling, some state and a thing which cannot be touched or seen are called abstract nouns, such as sweetest, honest, bravery, hate, love, such as abstract noun. Formation of abstract noun: brave plus adverb, bravery; lonely plus and double esness, loneliness; prime plus friendship; heal plus th, health, such as great, greatness; equal, equality, such type of formation of abstract noun. Con- Now, noun divides two kinds: classify a countable and uncountable. Countable noun that we can be counted are called countable noun. Uncountable noun, nouns which cannot be counted are called uncountable noun. Material nouns are uncountable noun, and common noun are usually countable. Common noun are usually countable noun, such as books, pen, bottle, horses, museums, park, such as. Noun which cannot be counted are called uncountable noun. Generally, material noun have uncountable. Sugar, salt, liquid, gold. This type of noun is called uncountable noun. Okay.